Welcome to the Yamaha stand here at SMT Connect. I'm joined by Kamil Stasiak, who's the European Marketing Manager, or Product Marketing Manager, should I say. So nice to see you, Kamil.
Good morning, Trevor. It's also nice to see you again.
Yes.
You are right. Yes, I'm the Product Marketing Manager for the European branch office of the Yamaha Motor Robotics.
Yeah, that's good. So one of the key things that you've launched recently is an interface, essentially, if you like, middleware software to be able to communicate with legacy machines and other machines that you connect to in the factory. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, yeah, of course I can. Yeah, recently we just launched the WiSub Link software, which is the communication brain between our machines and any third-party system. Mm-hmm. The advantage of WiSub Link is it can realize the connection between our genuine Yamaha machine, mm-hmm. printer, SPI, mounter, AOI, mm-hmm. and then transfer the data by using the CFX communication protocol, mm-hmm. just RACON, ITAC, AGIS, actually anything what is needed by end customer.
Right. So this is the software link. Okay. So when it comes to you went to a factory where you've got mixed machines already in place, how do you communicate with them? You use some sort of middleware PLC to connect to these machines and then to your software, or how does that work?
No, the WiSub Link runs on it's a typical software installed on the server organize the communication between our machines, mm-hmm. and then we can create any necessary module to have a communication with any third-party system. It can be another machine, it can be another MES system, it can be the ERP system, or completely customized, mm-hmm. or also some existing systems.
Okay, great. So any other sort of upgrades that you've made to your software suite in addition to that?
Yeah, we also recently released the latest WiSub MI. Mm-hmm. This is the material information system. It also runs now on the SQL database, on the web interface, so it follows the market trends. Mm-hmm. We're also showing here the WiSub programming tool, as well the software for our inspection machines, which are based on now running on the artificial intelligence support. So mm-hmm. artificial intelligence helps to create the component libraries which are not existing yet. So the process engineer doesn't have to create everything from scratch. He just runs the AI and waiting for the result.
Right. So just to drill down on that a bit, your artificial intelligence system is learning, is teaching, or capturing information from each device and populating the database. But once it's done that, it's making intelligent decisions on outcomes, for the manufacturing.
Yes, as a first step, is also based on the already created libraries and the components registered at the DB. Mm-hmm. If cannot find a suitable database, then analyze the 3D picture of the components, okay. and create the library completely from scratch by themselves.
I see. Okay, so that's going to get more and more powerful over time. Now, does that happen at a local level on the customers' machines, or does doesn't go up into a cloud-based system or anything like that?
At the moment, not yet. Mm-hmm. Such solutions are under development. Mm-hmm. We hope to release it as soon as it will be possible. Mm-hmm. But yes, that's definitely on our roadmap. Yeah, that's the market trend, and
right.
Yamaha also not only following but also leading the market trends.
Okay. So, Kamil, obviously we've had a really good show this week here in Nuremberg, but it is a productronnica year at the end of the day. So, any nice surprises that we can expect coming out of the Yamaha stable at productronnica?
Of course, yes, of course. We will have new products. We will have also the new software. Mm-hmm. So yeah, please welcome. All of you will be really impressed about our latest.
No more clues than that. Yeah,
I can say that we will show the 2 new machines.
Yeah.
And some new modules for the WiSub package, software package. But you will be impressed for sure. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we'll just have to be patient and wait till November.
Yes. Welcome.
Okay. Anyway, super to catch up with you, Kamil. Thank you for the update on the interface with the YS Link and your software upgrades, and we look forward to seeing you in Munich.
Okay, thank you. I also hope to see you in Munich.